All right, so I think this is recording. Let's take a look at this problem number 19. We are looking at a series of problems that are asking us to, given an equation, to match it to its appropriate graph. And really, this is just a review of our function transformations, but on a new function that we hadn't learned before, and that's this logarithmic function. Now, you have seen this logarithmic function in Algebra 2, so it shouldn't be totally brand new to you, but of course, I don't know how long ago that was for some of the students, and sometimes, you learn things at that time, and if you don't use it, you lose it. So we are going through it and reviewing it and treating it like it's the first time that you've seen it. Here in this for this problem, I would rewrite this equation to get it more of a standard form. I would look at this and rewrite it as log base 4. And I would switch the terms. I would write the negative x plus 2. And I see that there's actually two transformations on my parent function in this case. The plus 2 is bizarre in its behavior. We're going to take the original parent function and shift it to the left 2 units. And then the negative sign is a reflection across the y-axis. So if we shift this to the left 2 units, let's trace out our 2 points that are very easy to read on here, 1, 0, and 4, 1. If I shift this to the left 2 units, this becomes negative 1, 0. And if I shift this to the left 2 units, it becomes 2, 1. So after my first transformation, my graph looks like this. It's been shifted to the left. Well, now to reflect this across the y-axis, what was negative x's become positive x's. So negative 1, 0, it comes back to 1, 0, but this 2, 1 becomes negative 2, 1, and we see that we're going to be looking for a graph that looks something like this. So at a quick glance, I just happened to look up and look right at B, and it looks to be B because negative 2, 1 is right here, and 1, 0 is right there, and it's the only graph that's passing through those 2 points. So this has to be match up to the graph of B. But this was the first time so far in this series of problems that we had more than one transformation, that we had 2 transformations. So the order is important. You want to do shifts left and right before you do that reflection. So hopefully that helps, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.